Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all doing well. In this video, we are going to watch, in a moment of levity amidst the seriousness of team photos, Indiana Fever players, led by star point guard Caitlin Clark, unleash their inner goofballs, snapping hilarious Polaroid photos that showcase their playful personalities and team camaraderie. But before watching the video, please subscribe my channel and help me to get 10,000 subscribers. The Indiana Fever team photo shoot took an entertaining turn this morning when players, including star point guard Caitlin Clark, broke out the Polaroid camera and snapped some hilarious photos. In a lighthearted moment, Clark and her teammates showed off their playful sides, striking funny poses and making silly faces for the instant camera. The result was a collection of entertaining and memorable photos that showcase the team's personality and camaraderie. The photos are sure to bring smiles and excitement as the team gears up for the new season.
Well, I want to be yours today.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, 20.
Yep. Like this. Adorable.
Yeah. Twins.
Twinsies.
No, this is fire.
I did good. Okay. Me and Maka Pod. Oh, that's fun. These are my favorite girls forever. Well, I did good.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like
Thanks for watching, dear friends. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reaction news, stories, and headlines.